My name is Jacob. I'm an operations director at a church. I give Adobe Photoshop 5 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Man, I've been using Photoshop for so long. I feel like the last program I used before it was Microsoft Paint. There was Paint Plus, some other spin-offs. But for the longest time, Photoshop has been the gold standard. So when I first started using it 10 years ago, looked at some Corel products, but nothing could hold a candle to the flexibility that Photoshop offered and continues to offer. I chose Photoshop because it is the most powerful image editing software that's available at any sort of price point accessible to my industry. It is the professional status quo app. If you need to do something to an image, you can do it in Photoshop, and they're always adding robust features and great new options and tools that make life as an image editor even easier. Getting started with Photoshop from having no experience with it, there was a steep learning curve. Photoshop is an advanced program, and there's no way around that. There's going to be a learning curve when it comes to you figuring out how to navigate the app. The best thing I found was that Googling how to do something in Photoshop, that was the best way I learned. I had a specific task I wanted to do. I would Google how to add a new layer in Photoshop and look at those results, and that would tell me what I needed to know, then repeat that for 10 years. And when it came to integrating in my organization's workflow, it was easy because Photoshop is the industry standard, so it already interfaced well with Final Cut and Premiere and other applications that allowed us to put native Photoshop files into video editing programs, and they would automatically update that file if I made changes to the Photoshop file